Today on Texas Lexus, we are going to remove the shitty dealer sticker that says that I bought my sweet Lexus at a Subaru dealership. I want that thing gone. So, let's get some tools, let's make it happen. I don't know about you guys, but I like to buy a lot of cars. A lot of cars I buy are used or at auction or whatever. I've bought cars that have had, from a mining company, I bought an Expedition one time that had decals over the entire thing. Like, numbers on the side, reflective decals down the side. And I bought that thing for about $4 grand less than it was worth because of the decals alone. And a really, really helpful person told me about this. It's called Aircraft Decal and Adhesive Remover. It does not affect your paint. I had to buy this at like a specialty automotive paint store, but you can probably buy on Amazon these days, right? And this stuff is amazing. It does not mess up your paint. You spray it on, you give it a couple seconds, you hit it with a little plastic scraper. I got my drywall scraper here. Rub the shit off, and it's fucking awesome. So, that's what we're gonna do today. Let's hit it. Let's give it a little squirty squirt. Just spray it right on. What they call it, the liberal spray. All right. Kind of rub it on there with your little. I got a microfiber cloth. I don't know why, it's just what I had in the garage. Get it all on there nice and sweet. Let's just take a first pass at it and see what happens. Nothing. Video over. No, don't get discouraged, I'm just kidding. It says to wait 10 minutes. Directions. Smells great, by the way, too, if you like the smell of really toxic shit. Mask area around the decal, shake well, hold can, spray at a distance, thick even coat, allow remover to work for 10 to 15 minutes. Oh my god. Okay, I'm impatient as hell. It's probably been 2 minutes, so I'm just going to try to hit this first and see what happens. If I have to wait the full 15 minutes, that's fine. But I feel like the more this stuff, like the quicker I can get this crap off my car, the better. So let's get it in tight there, get the Larry H. Miller logo. Let's just hit it from the bottom. Oh yeah. Did you see that? We just lost a full sentence. I'm not going to get up close. That's a shitty shot. Let's keep going. Just push up. Oh, it's coming right off. Look at that. Done. Now, little pieces that got stuck on the Lexus logo. Now, I will say this, the surface looks scary as hell right now. Nothing to be worried about. Let me pull on a little. Okay, so as you can see, you can still see a lot of the residue, right? That's the next thing we're going to take off is the residue. Essentially the decal is two parts, right? You get the vinyl on top and you have all the goo. The goo is what's left right now. Now the way I do this is kind of like how professional window washers do their craft. You keep the liquid in play, just keep moving it around, and sooner or later all the glue will gel up into one nice clean thing that you can flop on the ground. See that? Get the rest of this gel off. I've already gotten to the point where I don't see the words anymore. I'm going to use a cloth to try to pull off more of that gel. You can still see some residue in this room right here. Let's just keep working it. Let's wipe it. Feel it, okay? Still see a couple gooey spots. Now I'm just gonna go full cloth. And that is that. Okay. Perfect. That's it. Sticker's gone. That was about a, let's say, 10-minute job all in all. You only needed 3 tools: aircraft decal remover, a cloth, and a non-marring plastic spatula, drywall spatula. I don't know what you would call this thing. Anyways, we're good. I'm gonna wash this area off just so I don't have this crazy decal remover sitting on my paint all day. But job done. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like Texas Lexus, give us a like, give us a subscribe. It's just so other people end up seeing the videos, and then I'll make more. That's all there is to it. Nothing more than that. Thanks for your time.